What's up everyone, welcome back to another astronomical events video where I talk about the upcoming astronomical events for the upcoming month. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the upcoming astronomical events for the month of March 2021. Now, last February was quite an uneventful month, but March 2021 will give us some new astronomical events for us to enjoy. So every month, I do go into detail as to the upcoming astronomical events for the upcoming month. So if you don't want to miss out on those new videos, please do hit the subscribe button below. So, starting on March the 4th, we will have a Mars-Pleiades conjunction event in which the planet Mars will appear very close to the Pleiades star cluster in the night sky. This conjunction event will happen early in the evening after sunset. A conjunction event is when two celestial objects, as seen from Earth, appear very close together in the night sky. On March the 5th, we will have a Mercury-Jupiter conjunction event in which the two planets, Mercury and Jupiter, will appear very close to each other in the night sky. Saturn will also be visible at the same time during the conjunction event, making this a great opportunity to photograph all three planets to the east. The conjunction event will happen early in the morning before sunrise, so if you want to see this, you will have to wake up early in the morning before sunrise. March also provides us with yet another great opportunity to photograph the elusive planet Mercury in the eastern skies, as Mercury will reach its greatest western elongation in the night sky at 27.3 degrees west on March the 6th. Look to the eastern skies before sunrise, so if you want to see this, you will have to wake up early in the morning before sunrise. On March the 10th, we will have a Moon-Jupiter conjunction event and a Moon-Saturn conjunction event in the same night. The Moon-Jupiter conjunction event will happen first before the Moon moves on to Saturn. The two conjunction events will happen early in the morning before sunrise, so if you want to see this, you will have to wake up early in the morning before sunrise. The Moon will also be in its waning crescent phase with 12.4% illumination when this happens. On March the 11th, we will have a Moon-Mercury conjunction event in the early morning before sunrise. The Moon will be in its waning crescent phase with 6% illumination when this happens. On March the 18th, we will have a Moon Apogee in which the Moon will reach its greatest distance from Earth at 405,300 kilometers away from our planet. The Moon will be in its waxing crescent phase with 20.4% illumination when this happens. On March 20th, we will have a Moon-Mars conjunction event in which the Moon will appear very close to the planet Mars. The Moon will be in its waxing crescent phase with 38.2% illumination when this happens. Since Mars is already very far away from Earth, it will no longer be that bright like it once was. At the same time, it will also have a vernal equinox in which the Sun crosses the plane of Earth's equator. In the northern hemisphere, the vernal equinox occurs in March, and the autumnal equinox in September. In the southern hemisphere, the vernal equinox occurs in September, and the autumnal equinox in March. On March the 21st, we will have a Mars-Aldebaran conjunction event in which the planet Mars will appear very close to the star Aldebaran in the constellation Taurus. The first quarter moon will also be in the night sky at the same time. The conjunction event will happen early in the evening after sunset. On March the 24th, we will have a Moon-Beehive conjunction event in which the Moon will appear very close to the Beehive star cluster in the constellation of Cancer. The Moon will also be in its waxing gibbous phase with 79.7% illumination when this happens, making it difficult to capture the Beehive star cluster. Finally, on March the 30th, we will have a Moon Perigee in which the Moon will make its closest approach to Earth at 360,300 kilometers away from our planet. The Moon will be in its waning gibbous phase with 98.8% illumination when this happens. Since the Moon will be at its closest to Earth, it will appear bigger in the night sky. Also, since we are close to the equinox, it is also a really good time of year to see and capture the Zodiacal Light. The Zodiacal Light is a triangular, diffuse white glow that is visible in the night sky in the direction of the Sun after sunset or before sunrise. It is caused by interplanetary dust in between the plane of the planets, scattering sunlight, making it a natural form of light pollution. Since the interplanetary dust is within the same plane as the planets, the Zodiacal Light is always found on the zodiac band of the night sky, straddling the ecliptic, which is the imaginary line that the Sun, the planets, and the Moon follow across the night sky. The best time to see and photograph the Zodiacal Light is when the ecliptic is at a steep angle to the horizon, which is after sunset for those in the northern hemisphere and before sunrise for those in the southern hemisphere at this time of year. Since it is a very faint glow, make sure that there is no light pollution towards the direction of the sunset or sunrise. The Zodiacal Light is also best seen when the Moon is not in the night sky. When it gets to astronomical twilight, you should be able to see the Zodiacal Light emanating from the horizon, and it will also be visible around an hour or two before sunrise and after sunset. However, for those at the equator, the Zodiacal Light is visible all year round. For those people who are more experienced in astrophotography, you might want to photograph the Gegenschein. The Gegenschein is part of the Zodiacal Light, but it is located directly opposite the Sun, known as the anti-solar point. If you are in pristine dark skies close to the equator, you can't see the Zodiacal Light stretching from horizon to horizon horizon, and the point directly opposite the sun is a bright bulge called a Gegenschein. The interplanetary dust there is backscattering the light to Earth, and it's a slightly brighter bulge in the zodiacal band. Techniques like stacking and tracking, combined with dark skies, a new moon, and good conditions will make the Gegenschein stand out. Now that's it for the highlights of March 2021, guys. So I hope you found this video useful and informative so far, and if you plan to enjoy the night sky anytime soon, I wish you good luck and clear skies.